Introduction to Automated Daily Journaling.
Keeping a daily journal helps capture memories, track progress, and reflect on your growth. But remembering to write every day can be a challenge. With Python, you can automate the process, making journaling easier and more consistent. In this video, discover how to set up a Python script that automatically creates a new journal entry for you each day.
What you need to get started.
To begin, you only need basic tools: a computer with Python installed, a text editor like Notepad or VS Code, and a simple understanding of running Python scripts. No advanced programming knowledge is necessary. Just follow the steps and you'll have your automatic journal set up quickly.
How the Python script works.
The script does three main things. It checks the date, creates a new text file or appends to an existing one, and adds a template for your daily entry. Each file is named according to the day, such as 2024-601.txt. You can customize the content template to fit your journaling style, including prompts or reminders.
Scheduling the script to run daily.
To automate the process, you'll want the script to run every day without manual effort. On Windows, you can use Task Scheduler. On Mac or Linux, use cron jobs. Set these tools to trigger the script once daily so your journal entry template is always ready to fill out whenever you open your computer.
Tips and next steps.
Personalize your journal by editing the template inside the script. Add prompts, questions, or space for gratitude lists. As you become more comfortable, explore adding features like reminders or email notifications. With a few simple lines of Python, you can make daily journaling a seamless part of your routine.